Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys on how to create and publish a post on your WordPress website. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly do that now and also click on the notification bell so that you won't miss important updates. So without further ado, let's get started. So once you log into your WordPress website, you come and see something like this, your dashboard. So here basically is the back end of your website. Only you have access to that. So you log in with your email or username and you put your password and you get here. So on the left hand side of this, you see a couple of tests like the post, jetpack, media, pages, and so on. So you go straight to your post, as you can see. Once I hover on the post, you see a drop down like all posts. So here basically is here you can see all the posts that you've created on your WordPress website. And if you want to add new posts, you click here. Then here you see categories and tags also. But today I'll be showing you on how to create a new post. So you just click on add new post. Okay, so once you click on add new post, it will load something like this. Then here you can add the title of your, let's say you are creating a blog post, so you can add the title like something getting started with WordPress. Then here is the title of your post. Then here's the second block where you can input your paragraph. So you can type basically anything. You can also add images to your posts. So if you want to add images, or you want to add an image to your post, you come down here and you click, see this plus icon here, you click on it and you see images or image. So you can just basically click on the image and you can either upload or go to your media library. So your media library is like you've already upload to your WordPress dashboard. Yeah, so that is it. Then you can insert from URL, you can get the image URL and impute it on your WordPress website. So I already have some images I can use, but because of this video, because of you guys, I'll show you how to upload. So you just come click on this upload button, click on it. Then to take you to your images. So I'll go to where I save my images. So basically you can download any image. Let's say I want to use this. Then you click on open. So this is it. So it load and it will become visible. Then let's say you already have on your media library. So you come here again and you click on this plus icon and you head over to images. Okay, you click on your media library. Here you see all the images you've used for your website. So basically you just click on the one you want to use. Let's say I want to use this one. So you click on it and click select here. So it will show and that is that. Then a lot of other things you can do. You can add links to your posts. Let's say I want to add a link to this test WordPress. You just come over here. I can see this link icon. Once you highlight it, you see this link icon. You just click on it and you paste the URL you want. Let's say you want to paste your website URL or your social media URL, then you just click on it. So you must have gotten your URL from your social media. That is if you want to post to Facebook social media URL. So you click on it and once you are done creating your post, you just click on publish here. At the right hand side, you click on publish. So you click on publish and so it's currently saving now. As you can see, our blog post is live. So once you want to view your blog post, you just click the link. So yes, basically our blog post. The reason why it's like this is because I'm using a theme for my WordPress website. That is why it's like this. As you can see now, this is our heading, getting started with WordPress, and it was published January 31st, 2025. My website's name. So this is our paragraph, as you can see, and these are our image. So if you have any question regarding this, you can always ask me or you drop a comment and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.